Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Here on the BTC chart, we are still tracking potentially still higher prices in our white scenario. Yeah, the main question is whether the wave 4 has already bottomed, maybe here even, yeah, or yeah, maybe even as a triangle. That's a bit unclear at this point. I would still leave the door open for for lower prices for maybe one more low into the support zone because the price is not yet broken above resistance. But we've broken above the Wednesday, 16th of April high. But honestly, it was just a wick. So it would mean if we get another low, then at least the B wave has shifted. The B wave has shifted to that last swing high, and we could get another C wave to the downside. Before we complete the larger 4, then we can get another 5 to the upside. Okay, it's not another 5, it's wave 5, okay? So this is still a potential. I just don't have a very clear pattern here from the Tuesday or Wednesday low. I absolutely acknowledge, the low could be in somewhere, but the question is, with this price structure here, this is just sideways. I mean, there's also a triangle that could have formed here, so I have several lows that I could pick as actual low. So it doesn't make it easy. That's why we said in previous videos, look, I've got this Fibonacci support zone. It might be tested. It doesn't have to be tested again. If it is tested, it could be an opportunity. We can watch these levels. Yeah, basically broadly between 83K and 80K for a reaction and potentially the start of the next leg up. Below 80K, probabilities for upside follow through will reduce, but the white count or bullish count will still be preferred as long as we're holding above $78,420. That's a key level we discussed in previous videos. It's this 10th of April low. Now, that being said, this this move to the upside here in the white scenario, we could already be in like the next move up, yeah. But as I explained to you, as long as we stay below the resistance zone, there's no evidence for it. This is way too choppy. It's not easy to trade. There's no momentum. It's simply this could still be part of a consolidation, or even of this corrective pullback rather. Okay, so if you want to watch for higher prices more directly, then the last significant low, more or less significant, but the last low could be, let's say, an anchor point, could be a key level to watch against which you can focus on higher prices. But I don't believe yet that we've started the fifth wave up. Just need to see a little bit more, yeah? I just can't confirm it. So it's just, yeah. I will start to lean clearly towards it once we get a break above $85,726. So this 78.6 retracement. Then I would be more directly bullish. But people already called me too bullish this week, just because I'm tracking a bullish scenario here. So no, I'm not too bullish. I don't think so. I'm warning about the structure that is very fragile. But the levels are clearly defined. I don't know what else to tell you. The levels are very clearly defined. We are not moving up in an impulse. We're moving up in a diagonal pattern. If this is a bullish count that's being followed, it's a diagonal. So we can't be clearly bullish, but we can still have a bullish, maybe bias. Let's call it bias. But yeah, we can watch for higher prices as primary count in a primary count, as long as the price holds above these levels I already mentioned. Only below 78,420, the probabilities for one more low in the 72K area or so will increase. For now, I'm simply watching if we can get any meaningful price structure here. Not really. Seems like the sideways consolidation is actually quite good for altcoins. We've seen some turnaround where they needed to, for example, FET, Solana. Yeah, so I keep you updated about those. Until then, until we see a little bit of a break at least above resistance, or at least a break below the last low. There's nothing really meaningful to support, because any break below that last low at 84,260 could indicate that we've started the decline, this C wave down. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.